Hello guys and ladies, this is Premiumilk. Here is the tutorial for the Story Now Explainer Toolkit. Here we will see now how we customize the characters and how we combine the poses together. So here you can see on the characters, here are 20 male characters, 20 female and 10 kids. This doesn't mean that you are able to make unlimited characters. So let's open male character 1. You are able to, you can ignore this message for the Duik. And here it is. Here is the control panel that you control all the settings. First of all, you can change the skin color like this, and also the skin color shadows has to be a little more darker like this. Let's go back. You can change the head size. If you want to make a kid like this. The eyes color, the hair number, change the haircut from 1 to 13 for the male character, and of course you can change the color of the haircut. The outfit number is 1 to 20. Let's see this, and you have two colors as you can see. So this, let's try number 8, a costume like this. Tie color, you can change the tie, and the trouser, I want to be the same. And with this costume I need the shoes number 3 and black, of course. Like this. You can select two dark colors. So this is the way you change the outfit. You can also select glass number 1. You are able to change glass size, bigger or smaller. Of course, glass color, glass number 0. The beard number 1 to 6, like this. And the color also. Let's go back to 0. And the hat number 1, 2. The hat number, in order to fit on the head, you have to select from male hair color, male hair number 7. Not here, hair number 7, in order to fit exactly like this. Hat number, so we see the hat number. You can change also the color of the hat. Let's put a brown one like this, and the shoes number that we see before. Here is the way you change every character you want from 120 and you save it to a new character. Let's put off the hat, 0. And let's put some hair also, hair number 9. Not bad, let's say 10. Okay, so this is the way you change the male character. In order to customize a female character, it's better to open a female character from the library. So let's see now how we combine poses together. Let's make a composition. 1920, okay. 1 minute. Okay, let's put a background. And here we have all the poses together that you can see like on the preview. So, on the story now, male character 1, here is the poses So let's take the clapping pose here. As you can see, the character is a little bit bigger for HD. It's also for 4K resolution, so you have to scale it down to 60 to fit on your screen. And as you can see, there is an in and out on any of these compositions. So you want, let's duplicate this keyframe sequence layers in order to put them on the sequence like this, and let's change this to holding a trophy like this. So as you can see, the character, it will end this pose and it will go to the other pose like this. Of course, also you are able to change some things of this pose. Excuse me, let's select another hair. Don't like this. Okay, I prefer this one. So, of course, if you are able to, let's talk about this later. Here, as you can see, how we make this pose. You move hands like this, not exactly like this. Hit U on the keyboard to see the keyframes for the hand and also for the other hand. And if you want to move it, you have to go to a specific keyframe and move it like this. This is the way you move with keyframes from this point to another, in and out. You have to have the same keyframes in order to reach this pose to connect to the other. Also, let's see that the foot here, as you can see, you can move it, and if you want to look from this side, you have to uncheck this one. Excuse me, sorry. Not about the foot, sorry, for the hand. You are able to uncheck in order to move it on the other way. So this is the way you customize any pose, and here is the way you combine the one pose to another. Let's put one more, and now we will talk about how you loop, or like this. Let's put lean on the wall. So here is the lean on the wall. It is also lean on the wall on mobile, so you are able inside to change the placeholder. The most important thing also is the emotions of the head, on the character, on the face. So inside here you will see a controller of face emotions. Hit U to see what's happening. Here we have the happy pose, the happy face emotion, and when it goes here, it is wandering. So as you can see, we have the happy checkbox on and off. Here is on, here is off. So we have also the suspicious emotion on here. If you click here to delete all the keyframes and put off this suspicious emotion, it is not visible anything. If you want to stay with this face emotion, you have to delete these keyframes. But if you want to change, you have to go there, and let's make a keyframe on suspicious, click on, and here click off in order not to combine two together. So the same way at the end, in order to come back, Ctrl C, Ctrl V this keyframe, in order to come back, excuse me, here we have two off here, on and off. So this is correct. Now we have the suspicious emotion. This is the way you change emotion if you want, otherwise you can stay with just one emotion for all these emotions. Okay, let's see also compare the pose of comparing items. Here you are able to import the icons. Here you can import the icons library and drag and drop your icon here and link it to this link item here and hide, like this. Hide and link. You have to link it from this parent and link options, like this. I don't want to import now the icon library. We will speak about this for on another tutorial. So here is how we customize the poses. Let's see another pose, like also we have, let's see the running pose. Here it is. Let's put scale 60. So here is the running pose, as you can see. If you want to run faster, let's preview this pose first. You are able to change the speed like this, time stretch to 50 or to 60 in order to run faster. You are able to change speed to any of these poses with the time stretch. So this is it. It's much better. And also we didn't say that if you want to loop this is about from 8 seconds to 11, it's about 3 seconds. If you want to have more about this, you have to go inside here. Let's duplicate this first and trim it like this, to in and out. So you are able, let's trim also here, sorry, you don't have to move this, let's do it like this. So as you can see, here we have the animation in of the pose, 3 seconds, showing comparing the items, and one more 3 seconds of comparing the items, and then goes to out pose. So this is the way you want to loop something. So if you want to loop, you have to do this duplicate a lot of times in order to loop forever. Let's see also something else. Let's see here the poses that is all together. If you have any other things to do. Okay, it is simple. Yes, like this. Let's see this kind of inside here. As you can see, reveal layer, insert project. As you can see, you are able to change the armchair to another color holding the Alt key. like this. There are 3 of them. There is a lot of them. There is also chair desk and armchair. If you don't want the armchair inside the pose, you can unhide it in order to put it outside of the comp if you want. And also, if you want to import another character here, let's import another character. Let's say we need the story now, characters. We need a female character. Let's say number 1. You just import like this. And you combine these characters together in order to have the same size and position. You have to duplicate this pose and replace it. Just click OK to this message. Just wait a bit, because every character has 60 poses inside. So duplicate this character, put a little bit here on the right, wait a bit to cast this on memory, the poses and all the solids of the female character. Just wait a bit. Be patient on this template, because it's very huge, but it's very flexible. In order to work also fast, you have to put, not to see on full frame, on full quality composition. You can change on quarter and work faster, and then you can render to full quality. Just wait a bit, it will come. The best is to clear the cache memory before you open After Effects. Now I had a lot of cache memory inside, that's why it takes so much time. And voila. So let's take from female pose the handshake, right? Like this. And let's change this guy to handshake left, like this. Also, you can flip a character if you want, like this, -60, in order to fit something else if you need. You are able, but you have to keep flipping all the poses in order to be correct, and select a hairstyle that it fits for both sizes, like number 3 maybe. Yes. So here we have 2 characters together like this. On a quarter mode it's go a bit faster, the render. So here is a handshake of 2 characters. And as you can see, there is an animation of 4 seconds. If you want, you can loop this, as we said before, by trimming to in and out, to have a loopable handshake. So this is the way how you customize characters, how you make combination on poses, how you import any other character, and of course continues to import here the backgrounds, the icons, whatever you need, the motion typography in order to make a story. It's another tutorial about to making a story. Check it out. Thank you very much. I hope you like it. Don't forget to rate. Bye bye.